Good morning one and all. Today we can see the remaining portion of the voltage control oscillator. Okay, this modulating here the in voltage control oscillator, in previous class we have seen the frequency can be changed. Here the modulating voltage VC can also be changed from 0.75 VCC to 1 VCC. Okay, this can produce a frequency range about 10 to 1. Okay, here if the voltage at point pin is adjusted to 7 by 8 VCC, means voltage at pin is at pin 5 is adjusted to 7 by 8 VCC, means F0, that is frequency equal to 2 into VCC minus 7.8 VCC divided by RT CT VCC divided by VCC. That is 8 VCC minus 7 VCC divided by 4 RT into CT into VCC. That can be written as VCC divided by 4 RT into CT into VCC. Okay, so that this VCC and VCC get cancelled. So you will get the answer as 0.25 divided by RT-CT, that is 1 by 4 is 0.25, and this RT, the value of RT-CT is equal to 0.25 divided by F0. Now we have found the value of RT-CT. Next here it is the important factor, that voltage to frequency conversion factor. This voltage to frequency conversion factor is denoted by the notation kV. Okay, so kV is equal to del F0 divided by del Vc. Okay, voltage to frequency conversion factor. So that we have to find the value of del F0 and del Vc, then only we can find the value of kV. First we are going to find the value of del F0. Del F0 means F1 minus F0. F1 is the first frequency, F0 is the original frequency. Okay, F1 is the next frequency and F0 is the original operating frequency. So that del Vc is the modulation voltage required to produce a frequency shift F0. Okay, so del F0 is equal to 2 into VCC minus Vc plus del VCC divided by CT-RT into VCC minus 2 into VCC minus Vc divided by CT-RT into VCC. So this, after simplification, you can write it as 2 del Vc divided by CT-RT into VCC. So the value of del F0 is 2 del Vc divided by CT-RT into VCC. So the value of del Vc is 0.25 divided by F0 into VCC del F0 divided by 2. This can be written as, after cancelling this 0.25 and 2, that is dividing this 0.25 and 2, and you can write it as del F0 VCC divided by 8 F0. So the voltage to frequency conversion factor kV is equal to 8 F0 divided by VCC. So using this formula we have many problems to do, that is voltage to frequency conversion factor. That main formula is kV is equal to 8 F0 divided by VCC. So today we have studied about voltage to frequency conversion factor. We can see about PLL. Okay, that is phase locked loop. This is the pin diagram of phase locked loop. That is NESC565 is the IC for the PLL. So first pin is the power supply, second pin is the second and third pin is the input, and fourth pin is the voltage control oscillator output, fifth pin is the phase comparator VCO input, sixth pin is the reference output, seventh pin is the demodulated output, eighth pin is the external resistor for VCO, and ninth pin is the external capacitor for VCO. 10th pin is the V plus VCC plus VCC. Next 11, 12, 13, 14 are NC, that is no change pins. Okay, now this is the functional block diagram of PLL. So here we are going to see the operation of PLL, phase locked loop. Okay, here this functional block diagram of PLL consists of phase detector, a low pass filter, error amplifier and voltage controlled oscillator. Okay, this now the input, first the input is given to the input of VS signal, input VS signal with the frequency Fs is given to the phase detector. Okay, is given to the, first the input signal Vs of frequency Fs is given to the phase detector. This phase detector compares the input signal with the compares the phase and frequency of the input signal with the output of the phase and frequency of the voltage controlled oscillator. Okay, it compares the two phase and frequencies. If the two frequencies, if the two signals differ in frequency, means frequency and phase, means the error voltage Vc is generated. Okay, if there is difference between the two signals, means that is error in difference, that is there is difference between two phase and frequency, means an error voltage is detected, that is generated, Vc is generated. The output of the phase detector is the sum of the component Fs plus F0 and the difference component Fs minus F0. Okay, Fs plus F0 and Fs minus F0. The high frequency sum component Fs plus F0 is removed by the low pass filter. Okay, this low pass filter removes the high frequency component. Okay, and the difference frequency component is amplified. Okay, this high frequency component is removed by the low pass filter and the small frequency component is amplified by the error amplifier. Okay, is amplified by the error amplifier and it is made as the control voltage Vc, that it is kept as control voltage Vc and it is given to the voltage control oscillator. Okay, so the control voltage is now shifted from Vs to the signal. Vs is shifted to Vc. Okay, in a direction to reduce the frequency difference between Fs and F0. During this action, the signal is said to be in capture range. Okay, during this option, the signal is said to be in capture range. Capture range means the VCO continues this action till its output frequency becomes as the input signal. So, okay, the VCO continues till the output frequency becomes its input signal. Now the circuit gets locked. Okay, and the input frequency and output frequency F0 is identical. Okay, is now identical and the phase difference is phi. Okay, now the input and output signal frequency is identical and the phase is phi. Okay, the remaining portion we can see in the next class. That's all. Thank you.